Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samia, an international student studying in London. So today we are going to North London due to some work, but I have like a whole day today. So we can just roam around and let me take you with me. Hi guys, so right now we are in the train, like on our way to North London. It's like pretty far from us since we live in South.
Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo.
So we had to get down in the Waterloo Station. Like, it is one of the London's most beautiful station. Look how beautiful and aesthetic this is. And from here we had to get a tube to go to North London. We were lost and we landed in this beautiful place in North London since we took a long tube and realized it like very late. Guys, I'm so hungry right now. As soon as I need to do my breakfast. I didn't even have my first morning coffee. So finally we made it to North London. We had some work in Middlesex University and got it done. All went well. I kind of like this place. This feels like home. I like the ambience, the university, as well as everything. And I finally had my coffee as well, and it was time to go back, do some shopping. So we had a long day after all of work. Just got back to Southall to get some Indian groceries and food. We were like hungry from morning, but didn't eat anything, so I thought कि Southall चलते हैं कुछ इंडियन खाना भी मिल जाएगा क्योंकि Southall is like mini India. So here we are in Saravana Bhavan right now. It's like a vegetarian restaurant. And yeah, we'll have our lunch and then we'll see where our day takes us. Oh bhai, really wanted to eat North Indian food so badly. I am mostly a South Indian food girly, but yeah, I love chola bhature. So we ordered it from here, and it was so big, hot, soft. Puris were so soft, and the first bite felt like heaven. It was so good. The bhatura was so soft. The chole were so spicy and rich in taste. I fell in love. मुझे literally लगा कि मैं अभी पेट भर के खा सकती हूँ. It was good. And then I got some rasmalai for myself. I don't usually eat it, but yeah, I wanted to try some, and it was like okay. And then we had to go for some shopping as well. We went to Southall, did some Indian grocery shopping, and it started raining out of nowhere. The weather was so bad. We didn't even had umbrella with us. हमने लिटरली थ्री बसेस चेंज किए साउथ हॉल से वापस हमारे घर जाने के लिए क्योंकि वहाँ से ट्रेन नहीं था और इट वाज लाइक वेरी रेनी एंड स्टाफ देख सकते हैं आप वेदर कितना ख़राब है. आई एम सो टायर्ड यार. बहुत सारा काम हो गया, फिर ग्रॉसरीज वगैरह हो गए, बहुत ज़्यादा वो हो गया. तो अभी भी जाना है, जाके कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें लेनी है जैसे कि मेरी अनियंस वगैरह वगैरह. तो वो लेके फिर एक बस लेके फिर रूम पे जाना है और फिर रूम भी मतलब इतना मैसी पड़ा है कि रूम भी जाके क्लीन करना है, फिर डिनर बनाना और फिर कहीं जाके रेस्ट करना है. तो आज का दिन बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग था और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड हो गई हूँ. लेकिन देखते हैं, ये सब वर्थ इट है क्योंकि रमज़ान आ रहा है और अभी से रमज़ान की तैयारी शुरू करनी पड़ेगी हमें. कोई बात नहीं, होता है, लाइफ है. Oh my god, like guys, look at the sky today. The sunset is like so beautiful. So finally ending the day with buying some basic food. I got some milk. Yeah, I was checking the expiry date and yeah, I found one. Some milk, paneer obviously. I love paneer. And some tomatoes. And then I did the billing and I was just walking back to my place. So guys, here I am. I finally got back and I am so tired. I literally had a long day today. लेकिन फिर भी मज़ा आया. बहुत सारे काम थे वो भी पूरे हो गए और हमने साउथ हॉल से शॉपिंग भी कर ली, अच्छा अच्छा खाना भी खा लिया. एंड हियर वी आर. इट वाज लाइक रेनिंग. आज का वेदर थोड़ा सा ख़राब था. London's weather is unpredictable, like seriously. तो ये अभी खाने का देखना है, डिनर क्या करना है और फिर देखते हैं डिनर में क्या करते हैं और फिर we'll end our day with this. Hi guys, so we are back here. मैं आके इतना टायर्ड हो गई थी, मैं थोड़ी देर सो गई थी. Here I am to make my dinner. What we are making is masala noodles. तो मैंने प्याज डाल दिया है, ginger garlic paste, let it cook. Comment down what vegetables you like in your noodles, because I usually don't go for much vegetables. It's just onion, tomatoes, sometimes I use capsicum or sometimes not, and just that's it. Coriander, no more veggies because I like it plain and simple. I think हमारा ginger garlic paste और onions पक चुके हैं. हम टमाटोज ऐड करते हैं. अभी हम ऐड करते हैं सारे मसाला जो भी आपको चाहिए. आई गो विथ रेड कश्मीरी चिली. इधर उधर चला जा रहा है. और फिर सारे मसालों को मिक्स कर लेना है. थोड़ा सा कोरिएंडर, some more water. I think that should be okay. Oh wait, I forgot to add salt. Okay. I don't know, like the second time I forgot to add salt in it. Back to the shelf. So it's been like 10 minutes and I think it's quite ready, but it needs 5 more minutes to be like okay. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes, so we're gonna check this thing out and I think it's perfectly done. So let's see. Oh yeah, I think it's perfectly done. Okay, so my noodles are ready and I'm gonna eat them and have a good sleep because I am so freaking tired. I've said this like 100 times. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, this was the whole day. This is like my accommodations kitchen, and yeah, if you ever want my accommodation or my dome tour, please let me know. Please comment down. And yeah, that's it for the whole day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a good night. I'll see you in the next vlog.